today's video, I will show you how easy it is to create amazing children's videos using existing footage, or I can say template on Canva. Plus, I will walk you through a quick and a simple way to add a caption to make your videos more engaging. So we're gonna be starting on a Canva. So we're gonna look for a YouTube videos. So we're gonna just click on this, and then okay, so we're gonna go to design, then you click on here, and then you search ABC depending on what you are doing. So today we are creating ABC for children. Let's just say ABC, and then we search here. Okay, so we're gonna select this one. So you can just select the one that you love. So I'm gonna select this one, and then I come here to apply all 26 pages. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is to click on this track, and then we delete it. We don't want it. We're going to use our own. So, and then you come here to change the color of the background. We can just change it to pink, and then we can also change the color of the prompt to pink. Let's change it to the very same color, and then we need to just delete this animal. So we're gonna delete this A for the alligator, and then we're going to go to elements, and then we come to see all, and then we're gonna click on this B letter, and then we're gonna view all collection. So these are the alphabets that we are going to use on this video. So we're gonna start with A. So I'm gonna just put A here, and then I put the alligator. Let's just move it like that. You can just align it properly. Okay, then you move to the B, and then you come here to delete this one. You don't want it, you want your own, and then you look for the B, and then you put the B here, and then you change the color of the background. So we need the very nice color, so we can just change it to this one, and then we also change the color of the fonts, and then we can just use the very same color, or we can just use something else. All right, that's great. Okay, so you can do the very same thing to all the letters up until Z. So what I'm going to show you now is to get the so now we're gonna need the alligator. So we're gonna go to elements, and then we search for the alligator. So here is the alligator. So we can just take the alligator and put it here, just to make it more fun. And then we can just look for the bear, and then we go back to the elements, and then we add the bear here, and then you can just do the very same thing to the other animals. Okay, so you have put everything the way you want it to be. Okay, then when you're done here with adding the animals and the alphabet together, the name of the animals and the alphabet with the picture of that animals, then the next thing is to go to ChatGPT to get the script for your song. So this is the script for the song: A for alligator, B for bear, C for cat, Z for zebra. So we're gonna need to copy it like that, and we go to Suno AI. So what is needed now is to add the music here, the music lyrics here. We're gonna paste it, and then after you come here to change the style of the music. So this is the children rhymes lullaby anime. So this is the choice of the as the style of the music I want for this video. So the name of this the title, so I've added the title also. The title is ABC, and then you come here to create, and then after that the music will be here. So let me just click on this one, and then you come here to listen to the music, and then see if it's the one that you actually want.
A for alligator, B for bear, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for flamingo, G for giraffe, H for hippo.
Okay, very nice.
A for alligator, B for bear, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant.
So you're gonna need to decide which one you want. So I'm gonna decide with this one. Okay, then when you are done, you come here to download. So you download, you make sure that you download it on MP3 audio. All right, then that's all. Then okay, then you go to Canva, you bring the music into Canva. So you go to uploads, and then you go to upload files, and then you bring the song that you just created to Canva. All right, so this is the song, so I'm gonna just bring it into here. Okay, so I'm gonna just edit from the beginning. All right, so we've got everything that we needed. So the next thing that you need to do is to just listen to what is happening with your music and the images that you have created before. So you want to see if they will combine with each other, then you will start doing some editing. So let's just click here.
A for alligator, B for bear, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for flamingo.
All right, so I think everything is up to date. So if you find something that is actually wrong, you can just do some editing and make sure that everything is combining with each other. Then when you're done, you can just come here to share and download. So you are downloading this so that we can just add some caption. Okay, so we need to bring the video into this canvas. Go to uploads, upload files. So okay, so now we brought the video back into a canvas. So all we need to do is to go to text and scroll down a little bit, comes to dynamic text, click on captions, and then also select, this is the one, so it's only one video available. So let's just generate captions. Okay, great. So let's just see how this goes. Let's just click there, just say listen.
A for alligator, B for bear, C for cat, D for dog.
All right, so I think everything aligns with what is written, so I'm happy with what I'm actually hearing and seeing. So what is needed now is to go here, you click on this text, and then you go to effects, and then you choose the one that you want, the style that you want. So if you want this one, you can just take it, and then if you want this, you can just take the one that you actually love. So I'm gonna just choose this one. Okay, and then what is next is to change the fonts. If you want to change the fonts, so you can just come here and then choose the one that you love. So there are lots of fonts that you can choose from. Okay, so let me just choose little one. I'm not sure how it looks like. Okay, so what is needed now, you can just increase the size of the letters of the words. You can just increase it here. And then another thing that you need to do is to come here to captions, and then you come here to edit, because sometimes it can say A for alligator, and then it's written B. Say B for alligator instead of A. So you just need to come here to just rectify those kind of mistakes. So I'm actually happy with everything, but if you are not, when you are creating yours, you can just make sure that you just do you just rectify the mistakes. So when you are done, the only thing that you need to do is to listen first, because we just adjusted the
A for alligator, B for bear, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant.
Let's just go close, and then we just go back to caption again. Let's just go to effects, and then we choose, let's just choose this one. Let me just choose this one, and then I change the color of the text to black. Let me change it to black, and then we change it all, not only for this specific one that we clicked on. Okay, so another thing is to let's just listen.
A for alligator, B for bear, C.
Why the first thing this is, let me just click on this and go to effects. I'm still having this thing there. Oh, okay, so which means okay, so now I see my mistake. So I've added two different captions, so I need to delete this one. That is why I was just getting this off thing that is not actually right here there. So we can just put it like that, and then we can just go and see if it's actually right.
A for alligator, B for bear, C for cat, D for dog, E for up.
So I'm actually happy with how it came out. Okay, then when you're done, you can just come here to share, download, click download again, and then you are done with your video. The video is ready to be uploaded on YouTube. So I hope you have learned something today. We are done, so we came to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Up until next time, bye bye.